5x is the variable term.
Welcome to the foxglove equation path. Here, algebraic expressions are woven directly into the roots, stones, and trails of the woodland. Watch the scene first. The math is built into the world, so the quantities can be seen before they are named. Look at the carving on this oak tree trunk, the expression 5x plus 3. Terms in a sum are the parts separated by addition or subtraction. The expression 5x plus 3 has one variable term and one constant term. The terms are 5x and 3. Identifying these blocks organizes the expression into its individual parts. Further down the trail, the path introduces subtraction. Carved into this mossy stone is the expression 8y minus 2. The coefficient is the number that multiplies the variable. In the term 8y, the variable y is multiplied by 8, so the coefficient is 8. Notice that the minus sign stays with the 2, making the constant value -2. This identifies the specific rate of the variable and the value of the constant.
-2 is the constant term.
The trail now passes through a woven branch gate, displaying the product. 3 times the quantity x plus 4. A product is constructed from individual factors multiplied together. In this case, one factor is 3. The other factor is the grouped expression x plus 4. The factors are 3 and the quantity x plus 4. Treating the group as a single factor preserves the relationship between the numbers inside the parentheses. The quantities in the environment match the notation in the scene. The woodland path shows the relationship, and the notation records it. We saw how addition separates parts of an expression into terms, like 5x and 3. We identified coefficients as multipliers, finding 8 in the term 8y, and we grouped structures into factors, like 3 and the quantity x plus 4. Observe the markers on the trail and how they represent each part of the mathematical structure.
3 and the whole sum are factors.